was another garbage can going down the street in this raging river that used to be a tranquil street in Kaimuki. Little stationary waves are getting all nuts, all up in this shit. Now, as a reminder, the storm isn't stopping anytime soon. But hopefully nobody dies, because this is pretty fucking unreal. Check out that water coming down from 16th Avenue. It's almost all the way up to my boot legs and going into my fucking boots. Holy fucking shit. Oh, fuck.